Hello, welcome to DerinsCorner. Thank you for clicking this video. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below. That's the red button. You can also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. And today I'm going to be bringing to you a recipe on lentils. So this is continuing the lentils recipe. I've done previous videos on making lentils akara, which is the bean cake, and I've also done a video on making lentils bakery, which is lentil soup. But today we're going to be making lentils moi moi. Moi moi is a West African, typically Nigerian dish that's been made from beans that's been blended and then spiced up with peppers and wrapped in banana leaves and thereafter steamed. So I'm going to be swapping the beans in this recipe with lentils, and lentils is an appropriate ingredient to use in swapping because it actually has a higher protein content than beans, and it's also, this recipe is actually less stressful because you are not, you don't have to soak your beans overnight and you don't have to peel the beans. So this is actually an easier recipe and it just tastes exactly the same way. I actually prefer this than the normal beans moi moi. So why don't we go into the actual video, and let's start with the list of ingredients. So I'm using a store-bought banana leaves. I got this from my local Asian store. The leaves are actually rectangular in shape. They are not the normal diamond shaped banana leaves that you have. So I'm going to line my pot with the banana leaves just to prevent the moi moi from sticking to the bottom of the pot. And then of course I'm going to clean my leaves thoroughly. You want to get rid of every form of dirt that is on the leaf because of course you need to maintain good hygiene when you're cooking. And then I'm going to start folding it, and the way you fold this kind of leaf is to start from the end. You fold it into a rectangular form and then you continue to roll just as I'm demonstrating right now. So you roll it till you get to the end. And then when you get to the end, you're going to flip it at the bottom, and that's just to prevent it from flowing out. And then you have like a cone form of shape whereby you can actually put in your moi moi, blended moi moi into. So to cover the moi moi, you're going to flip the two ends together and then you fold it backwards, just like as you can see in the video. See how smooth it looks, just like your normal moi moi. And if you love this video, please share as much as you can and give me a thumbs up. I would also like to see your comments and just try it out and make something different for your family. So thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye.